Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Ubisoft connection lost. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that your network adapters is fully updated, and to check that you just need to open up Device Manager. On Device Manager you need to look for network adapters here, and then you just need to right click on all of them and press update driver, search automatically for drivers, and you need to update them all, right? And after that, you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you need to do here, you need to open up Ubisoft Connect. On Ubisoft Connect, you need to press on your profile icon here, on the little arrow to the right, then open up Settings. On Settings, you need to be on General, and then select Change Proxy Settings. And on this new window, you need to go for LAN settings. Then make sure to select these two options here and select use the proxy server for your LAN. And if there is some numbers here, go to advanced and delete all the numbers from here, right? Press OK, save the changes, and then restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. And if this doesn't work for you, then another thing that you need to do here, you need to go and search again, open up and look for CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator, press yes, and then you will get this window here. And then you need to write here a few commands. So the first one is ipconfig / flush DNS. And then another command is ipconfig / release. I'm not gonna press enter because it will show my IP, but you just need to press write ipconfig / release, and after you do so, then you need to write ipconfig / renew. And after that, the last command that you need to put is ipconfig or not ipconfig nesh int IP reset, right? And after that, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then you need to disable proxy. And to do so, you just need to open up search, and you just need to write proxy settings, press on that, and then select manual proxy setup here. Make sure this is off, and then go to press edit here and disable this option here as well and hit save. And if this doesn't help you, the next thing that you need to do here is to change your DNS server addresses. And to do so, you just need to again go to settings, then you need to go to network and internet, then you need to look for advanced network settings, then select your internet connection. For me is this one. Press the arrow, and then on more adapter options, hit edit here. Then on this option here, make sure Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled, and double click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then select use the following DNS server addresses and type DNS server, other DNS servers. So in this example, I used Google ones, so it will be 8.8.8.8. And on alternate DNS server, you need to write 8.8.4.4. And then after that, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And another thing that you can do here, if these options do not work for you, you need to go to settings and reset your internet connection. And to do so, you just need to go to settings, network and internet, then you need to go to advanced network settings, and then on the bottom should be network reset. Press on that, hit reset, and then you need to restart your computer, and your internet will be reset. But keep in mind that if you use Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. So keep in mind that. But if you use Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Apply these fixes and tell me in the comments if it worked for you or not. So if I help you out, please press the like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.